He's horny. Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
Give me the best scream. Whoever got the best scream. You, alright, I got you right here.
How's the one?
There it is, buddy. Get the treat. It's right there.
Day 193 of my cat trying to scare me.
Oh, good job.
You can't fit in there. You can't fit in there. Timon, you can't fit in.
Okay, who in this house wants to go for a car ride? Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
I'm gonna call the police, and they will come immediately because this is serious.
Лолита тоже могла умереть. Носить косметологию сложнее, чем я.
Can't. Oh my God. Crackhead. Crackhead. ¿Qué quieres? What are you doing? Oh. You better stop it. Stop it. Ow.
What is that? What is that? Did you do that? What is that? Why are you just looking at me like that?
En dan start hij die rotor. Die schroef. Laat hem zakken. Laat hem zakken.
Prince.
Wait. Okay, hold on, buddy. Hold on.
help you?
Filming my cat's reaction after coming home at 12 midnight.
Hello?
She looked so disappointed.
Yes.
I hate it when guys slap my ass. Oh no.
Buddy, you look crazy. You look like you just got electrocuted. Where's your ear? Bodhi, where's your ear? Buckle, stop it. Stop it. Why are you trying to bite me?
I'm about to break the peace. Dinner! Dinner! Dinner, 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 dinner!
Diggy, diggy, diggy. Graham, diggy, diggy, diggy.
Why are we sitting here like this? This is so off-putting.
So this is my best friend. I just wanted to show him off because he's really cool, really awesome. He makes my life better, and I love him a lot.
Andiamo dal nonno. Buongiorno, signor Martino. Andiamo dal nonno. Bye bye.
Gigi, time to go on the airplane. Good girl.
Okay.
Scare him, Toes. Get him. Release that prey drive. Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him, Toes. Get him. Oh, my God.